Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato soup without canned tomatoes. First, choose the ripest, most flavorful tomatoes you can find. Blanching them in boiling water for about 30 seconds makes peeling a breeze. After peeling, core and roughly chop your fresh tomatoes, preparing them for the next step in our homemade soup journey. Now let's build our flavor base. In a large pot, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic, sautéing until they are soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. This aromatic foundation is crucial for a rich, homemade taste. You can also add fresh herbs like basil or thyme at this stage for extra depth. Once your aromatics are ready, add the chopped fresh tomatoes to the pot. Stir everything together, then add about 2 cups of vegetable broth or water. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, use an immersion blender to achieve a wonderfully smooth and creamy texture for your soup. To finish, taste your soup and adjust seasonings with salt, pepper, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. For extra creaminess, stir in about 1/2 cup of heavy cream or a dairy-free alternative like coconut milk. Serve hot with a swirl of pesto or fresh croutons. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your fresh, homemade tomato soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.